Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. It's Taco Tuesday, and today I'm going to show you how to make pressure cooker chicken tostadas, and I'll be using my Ninja Foodi. First, I'm starting off by seasoning 5 chicken breasts. I've got kosher salt, black pepper, granulated garlic and onion, some cumin, some ranch seasoning, and then also some Goya Sazon seasoning. Now I'm spraying my preheated pot with some olive oil, and I'm adding the chicken in seasoned side down, and then I am just going to repeat the seasonings on the other side. Now I am turning over the chicken to brown on the other side. Once browned, I'm adding in 1 cup of chicken broth. Now I'm sealing the pressure cooker and setting it to cook on high pressure for 12 minutes with a quick release. Now I'm transferring the chicken along with the juices to a stainless steel bowl because I'm going to shred the chicken and I don't want to scratch up my Ninja insert. Foodie tip, use a hand mixer to shred your chicken. Once the chicken was shredded, I added in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, followed by 7 ounces of diced green chilies and a 10-ounce can of Rotel. Once everything is thoroughly combined, your chicken is ready to go, and oh my, is it delicious. So now it's just time to build your tostada. And that's it. Chicken tostadas made in the Ninja Foodi. You can also use this filling in tacos and enchiladas. Oh, and it makes really good nachos. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And go ahead and click that red button and subscribe and tap that bell so you know of my next upload. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru, get into the kitchen. Bye.